Pie is Good, where we tell you your future.
Hi Cancer, how have you been? Monday will be filled with extraordinary self confidence. You will be able to take firm decisions when it comes to work related issues. You will not face any difficulties in completing your tasks today and will achieve success. You need to guard against getting into any confrontations with your father or other elders. You need to make sure that you get proper sleep this week. Also, that you exercise well and change your eating habits. You shall feel mentally very strong and should take help of relaxation techniques like meditation and yoga to stay healthy. Try to quit all the unhealthy habits that you have to live a life free of tensions. On Tuesday, take a little break and spend some time looking within. At your office, there may be some bitter confrontations. Be very careful and try to prevent things from getting too difficult. In matters of love, a new romance may develop. You may enjoy a peaceful evening with friends. This week, avoid overeating at all costs, as indigestion is indicated. By keeping your tendency to overeat under control, you will prevent many ailments. You will also get relief from a recent ailment towards the middle of the week. However, this doesn't mean you can take your good health for granted. Make sure that you stick to a healthy diet containing fresh fruits and vegetables. Also, an eye problem is indicated, so avoid long hours in front of the computer. On Wednesday, the inner artist in you will come to the surface and you will showcase your imagination powers. You will be able to focus on topics of interest today. Those of you in the field of interest will find themselves moving ahead. There may be a signing of beneficial legal deals today for you. Today is going to be a very good and successful day. Complete physical fitness is indicated. You will be full of energy and determination, and that will keep you in an upbeat, good mood. You may be prone to some nervousness due to your anxieties. Take better care of your dietary habits, as this is a must to maintain stable health. Pursue some divine practices, as that will guide you to keep fitness levels high. On Thursday, you will be soaked in work today. During the day, you may be loaded with duties and responsibilities. However, evening has a different story to reveal. Exciting as ever, a getaway with friends may be liberating and relaxing. You are caught in a whirlpool of emotions. You may come across many ups and downs today. However, nothing seems to deter you from your determination and dedication towards work. You can't bear the weight of the heavy workload anymore. Very cleverly, you will complete your tasks, and slowly but steadily, you take the load off your shoulders. Attentive and observant, you meticulously plan your actions and minimize the chances of errors. Today, your efforts will not be effectively channelized, but it will not be a bad day also. The day could turn out to be a little monotonous for you. However, with proper planning and acting intelligently, you will achieve success in your endeavors. The day requires you to adopt an easygoing approach to witness better results. By being supportive and humorous, you will be able to handle stress effectively. You also need to be careful with your words while conversing to avoid unpleasant situations. On Friday, you receive some good news from the foreign shores. The day will bring on a positive note, and it will remain like that for the whole 24 hours. You will be in a good mood to marry, and it will be transformed to everyone around you. A reckless attitude is the root cause of any downfall. Ensure responsible behavior and actions at every step at your workplace today. Be alert and focused, and you will be able to dodge any incoming trouble. Today is a day of materialization, and the projects and other things that you have been working on since a long time will draw close to completion and begin to pay off. You will put in sustained efforts to make the day favorable. Be optimistic in carrying out your tasks and curb your anxiety. Spiritual involvement will keep you active. On Saturday, your thoughts and conversations about love, sharing, or cooperation will flow easier after retrograde Venus stations directly in your sign. You'll also be thinking about the future when it comes to a relationship and taking action on the insights that came to you over the past 6 weeks. Then it's ready, aim, fire when your Mars ruler enters your sign. Whether your target is the launch of your new relationship or another goal entirely, you will be superly motivated to achieve your desired outcome. Just be sure to consider the feelings of the people involved. You may have to face more commitments. It is advisable to be patient and take things easy. On Sunday, you're comfortable with contradictions, and today's day hinges on one. You can get exactly what you want so long as you don't try to get it. Let go of your desire to control, open up the heart, and let love flow. Some work-related stress may have you wanting to blow off steam, but quiet time with a certain someone is even more soothing. Your sensible side re-emerges this weekend, and you're able to look at your romantic situation with a realistic and perceptive eye. Take notes so you don't forget. This day will find you bright and optimistic. You will have the confidence to convert even tough tasks into simple ones. You will be more sincere in carrying out your work with efficiency. You will also be able to earn the goodwill of your superiors. You will find yourself relaxed and free while conversing with your partner. This frank approach will enable you to develop more harmony and understanding with your partner.
Money and career.
On Monday, financial inflow will be very satisfactory, but you will be also required to take care about your expenses. There is a distinct possibility of incurring several unexpected expenses. You could spend a substantial amount of money for court cases and pending legal matters. Since you have a lot of surplus funds on hand at the moment, it will be a great idea to clear off all your old debts. You could consider investing in real estate today. It will be imperative for you to keep a tight leash over unwanted expenses. Do not spend huge chunks of money for buying exorbitant objects. On Tuesday, this is not a promising day for matters pertaining to finance. Your exorbitant expenses will be uncontrollable. Your investments are also not going to reap any lucrative rewards. Your finance department will miserably fail you. You will not be able to stick to your monthly budgeting plans. Your financial planning will seem to be completely collapsed. You may even need to borrow money from close friends and relatives to keep the show going. You may not even be able to cope up with regular office expenses such as courier charges, telephone bills, electricity payments, etc. This will be due to the carelessness of your staff. On Wednesday, you will need to be extremely cautious while dealing with matters of finance and money. Never sign a document without properly reading it first. As a matter of fact, you should even sign checks after proper contemplation. Try to focus upon saving your money as much as possible during this period. We say so because there is a strong probability of incurring unexpected expenses during this time. On Thursday, this week is not very favorable for considering new investments. Those dealing in the stock markets should have a watchful eye over the developments. You will be very relieved to receive unexpected finances. This is a very favorable week as far as your finances and money matters are concerned. If you have been trying to avail a loan for either business development or purchasing capital for goods, you will be able to do so easily today. Any financial strategies that you have planned will be successfully implemented today. On Friday, there is a distinct possibility of spending a considerable amount of money for purchasing electronic gadgets. You will also be able to successfully clear off any old loans or dues during this period. Learn to keep a tight leash over unwanted expenses and focus upon saving for the future. This is a very favorable day as far as your finances and money matters are concerned. If you have been trying to avail a loan for either business development or purchasing capital for goods, you will be able to do so easily. On Saturday, any financial strategies that you have planned will be successfully implemented. There is a distinct possibility of spending a considerable amount of money for purchasing electronic gadgets. You will also be able to successfully clear off any loans or dues during this period. Learn to keep a tight leash over unwanted expenses. On Sunday, the graph of your financial growth during this week will be more or less like a tidal wave. If you learn to surf the tide with adequate precaution, the sail will be smooth and overall you will need to maintain a perfect equilibrium between your financial inflow and expenses. Monitoring your unwanted expenses will certainly help you. Your financial inflow will be very satisfactory today because Moon is in your sign today and things will start looking up today onwards. Do not make random investments based on hearsay.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.